Today we're going to build my middle of the night book light. I'm going to begin by taking a popsicle stick and labeling the negative and positive end of the circuit. Afterwards, I'm going to just grab a little bit of copper tape, roll it around so it comes loose from the adhesive, and apply it to my positive end of my circuit. Flip over the popsicle stick, apply it to the negative side as well. Oh, I better smooth out that little part right there. There we go. Now that I've done that, I'm going to grab my coin battery, grab a little bit more copper tape, and I'm going to make a double-sided copper tape packet to stick to my circuit. I'm going to take the negative end of my battery, stick that down to the negative end of my circuit. Now I'm going to take a brass fastener. I'm going to try my best to open that thing up. It's sometimes trickier than it looks. There we go, I got it open. And I'm going to take a little bit of copper tape, and I'm going to fasten that to the positive end. This is going to act as our switch later, and it will close our circuit. Now I'm going to grab my light emitting diode, positive end, negative end, long lane positive, short end negative. I'm going to fix my light emitting diode to my circuit. Here I've attached my negative end to the short leg, putting some copper tape over top to make sure it's secure on the circuit. Now I'm going to put down my positive ends, fix a little bit more copper tape to it so it's nice and secure. And the last thing to do, just fold over that brass fastener, and boom, I've got a working book light in case I'm ever bored in the middle of the night.